Hey y'all, welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing some yard work. That's right, it's high past time to get to this yard work. Honey, these flower beds are a weedy hot mess. So we are going to get those weeds pulled. We're going to get some new weed barrier down and some fresh mulch in all the planting beds surrounding the house. And I got a couple of little bonus projects that I'm going to throw in there as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed to Amethyst Adventures, then what are you waiting for? You better go on down here and click that red subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, without any further ado, baby, let's get right in. You can see right here, this garden bed that I have on the side of the house is, I have some things coming up, but for the most part, it is a weedy hot mess. Some were rescues, gifts, and yeah, so I have a bunch of plans. So what I'm gonna do is get this area weeded, get some new weed barrier down. These 3 salvia plants were rescued. Got from Lowe's for $1. So I'm going to put them in here and hope. Originally $9.99. I got them for $1. This is my Happy Nurses Week gift. Okay, I got the 3rd plant in, and this is what it's looking like right now, and looks pretty good. So I have this one over here that I'm going to transplant over into this area, and then I'm going to put that juniper here. Okay, I just wanted to quickly show you what I'm working with today. I bought 10 bags of mulch from Lowe's. There's that. And my objective is to get all the beds mulched and weed barrier down today. Okay, and my garage is a little bit messy, but there on the pool table is the weed barrier. About the first couple bags of mulch, I also have some plants here that I got off the clearance rack at Lowe's. They're originally $12.98. I got them for $4. Okay, so I have this empty area right here. I'm going to weed that and then get those into the ground before I start putting the fabric and mulch down. So let's get started. Weeds. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some weed killer before I put down the vapor barrier. But that's how those new plants are looking, and I hope you can make that out. Okay, so I went on and laid out the vapor barrier, and then I try to use one continuous piece, because if it's multiple pieces, then the weeds grow in between the pieces. So I'm gonna try to use this one continuous piece and then go ahead and cut out the areas that have plantings. And then I purchased these last year, and these are staples to hold down the mulch. The barrier. Okay, I'm going to mulch the other beds, and then what I have left over, I'll put in the back. That area, the weed barrier is good, and there's no weeds coming through, so I can just put some additional mulch when I'm done with that. Moving on to the next planting bed. Okay, so I still have to trim the edging over there around the edge of the sides, but for all intents and purposes, this project is now complete. That is full in. On this side, this is fully mulched as well. Okay. And my wife beautifully put up these new solar path lights that we got. So those look really great. Hi, Lily. And those come all the way down the driveway here. I'm very happy with those. Okay, good morning. I just wanted to update you on a couple of projects that I had been working on. This area surrounding the tree that has my lilies is now fully mulched as well as all of the planting beds. Lily. Hi! This area is done, looking good. And this third area on the side of the house is looking good.